is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I'm excited that you're here. And we have some new updates for the Infinity Processing System. We actually have added a new digital product, which is a higher level, where you're going to be able to learn on how to become a super affiliate. And what does that mean? That means how to use all the resources, all the tools that you need to become a super affiliate, to learn how to generate leads, to learn how to close your sales, to learn how to use different tools to help you automate your business, right? And so I'm super excited about this new level that we just added, the new product. And I think a lot of people are seeing the value. A lot of people have already jumped in and have taken advantage of this opportunity. If you are already part of Infinity Processing System, you want to go ahead and make sure that you take advantage. We have until the 27th of December. If you're currently a pro member with an IPS, you can definitely upgrade and only pay the difference, okay? Up until the 27th of December. That's the deadline. If you have any questions, message me directly. If you're ready to get in, right? If you're somebody that is not part of IPS at all, you can go to infinitymarketingsystem.com/Adriana V, right? And go ahead and get started directly, or message me so I can get you up and running. But this is the new website design that we actually also created for the entire team. So you can take a look. Step number 1, get started. Step number 2, start posting ads on social media. Once somebody purchases one of the digital products, you get paid, right? Simple as that. Step 3, get paid. Start collecting the commissions. Okay, so go ahead and take a look at the full details. You can see here, these are just some testimonials from team members that joined the opportunity when we launched, and they talk about their experience with IPS, right? And so I'm super excited for everybody that is taking advantage of this opportunity. They're creating their own income, they're creating their own lifestyle. So congratulations to you. And if you're somebody that wants to change the course of the new year, you are somebody that has been struggling with learning affiliate marketing, you've been struggling with maybe earning extra income with a different maybe side hustle, and you haven't figured it out, I encourage you to get started with the team today. And so as you can see right here, you're going to get access to, for example, you have the $50 starter level, you have the Elite, you have the $300 pro level, and of course the premium level that we just added. So go ahead and take a look. Go on the website, click on the link below, and it's going to take you to this site where you can take a look at the full details and get you up and running. Get started with the team today. Again, you want to come in and position yourself where you have the ability to earn on all different digital products. So if you have any questions, message me directly. But again, get started. We do have an FAQ section, right? Go ahead and go through that. You do get a vacation voucher starting at the pro level. Starting at the premium level, which is the highest, you get the vacation voucher plus the $1,000 hotel savings card, $1,000 hotel savings card. How that works, you are able to apply those credits towards hotel discounts, car rentals, and family activities. So that's just as a bonus. So again, I'm super excited to get you up and running. If you have any questions, you'll see that icon where you can just message me directly on Facebook. But what it is, right, the new digital training product is being added, the $600 level premium. It's a one-time payment to get started, plus the admin fee, one-time admin fee of $59. And I just showed you the new website design. For the existing members, okay, if you are already part of IPS, but you don't want to upgrade, you don't care to get to a higher level, that is completely fine. You can keep using the current website that you already have. But if you'd like to purchase the new website with the new design, it's just going to be a one-time fee of $39, right? And that's completely optional. If you want to do that, message me directly as well. Again, one of the newer bonuses is the new 1K digital savings card. And then starting on January, we're going to go ahead and start doing those live coaching sessions for all of the team members, regardless of which digital product you bought. So I'm super excited. Again, go ahead and get started. That's the new update, starting to earn $600 per commission starting this new year. So get started. If you have any questions, message me. Other than that, I will see you at the top.